I'm going to go into washing machines. There, now I'm out. Now, I'm going to go back to home. Juice, where have you been? I was standing outside to the laundry place, but then I was doing the washing machine challenge because I was peeking. Oh my gosh, how did you do that? I sneaked into that washing machine because I won't get caught.
Juice, how dare you do the hiding challenge with the washing machines? That's it. You are grounded for 643 centuries. Go upstairs now.
And as a punishment, you'll be sleeping on the floor from now on without the washing machines. Now go upstairs to your room right now, or else we will send you to the mental people's home. And no more washing machine challenges for you ever again.
Va.